Hello, this is a video for Model Search about repetition in C++ programming language, which is developed by Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. Repetition is an action to do the same thing over and over again. To support the process of writing code to loop in C++ programming language can be done by using do while, and for. So okay, now let me explain you first about the while statement. Repeat in this case, the statement block will run continuously for the condition is true. If initial state or the condition is false, the statement block cannot be executed at all. Okay, to understand clearly, let me show you an example in do in value. Okay, now let me start code. This is the command is now for to the code. Include string include std lib.a. Okay, this is the header file in C++ programming language. In man counter has the type as in, assign the value with 1. While this is the while statement, while out counter smaller than or equal 10. And then a present statement. D4 technology D G-con. Counter blah system pause return 0. Okay, now in count equal 1 and val mean when val out counter is smaller than or equal 10. Okay, now and then the expression statement is called default technology media digital and counter blah. So counter plus means counter plus 1. So I have to add using namespace std Okay. System pause means wait for the user to press indicator exit from the command prompt, and return 0 means return the function. Okay, now to make sure, let me start to run the series out. Okay, default technology media digital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I press N key. Where is it? Okay, because inner counter is equal 1 means counter start from 1, and while counter smaller or equal 10, and it will tell compiler to do this statement. Mean default technology media digital, and count plus mean count plus 1, so it will start run default technology media digital for 10 times. Okay, and system pause mean when I run to see the result, I don't hit the key from the keyboard, it will still show you a mistake. When I hit, it will exit. That's why the result is default technology is show you 10 times by using while loop. Okay, this is for while loop. And I would like to show you one more example about while loop. Okay, to start a new project, click on File, New Project, choose Win32 Console application, and this is the project now. Okay, next, empty project, finish. So file, add new item. Okay, select the file. 1, 2. Okay, start writing the code here. So start the code here. Start include. String start in load st delete data using namespace the counter equal or smaller than 3. Now assign counter is so equal or smaller than 3. Okay, start the settlement address. CI default technology media digital. Now I want to copy this. That's it. Press it. Start new settlement. CI file. And I want to copy this too. And I also want to add more statement. And I want to copy this too. Counter plus min counter plus 1. System pause real time 0. So let me run to see the result. So it will print your expression statement 3 times. Okay, to make you so easy to look, I add this /n. Okay, now run again. Okay, this 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. So I press any key to exit. Okay, because the counter is equal to 3, smaller than equal to 3, so it means equal to 3, and the counter is plus mean counter plus 1, so it starts from number 1. This is the start, and it's plus 1 until it equal to 3. So that's my result, as you can see. Okay, now that's all for while loop, and let's continue to repetition with do while. Do while statement contrary to statement while condition is checked at the beginning and the block loop. The do while condition placed on the end. This will lead to process other repetition at the least one through the defined condition are not met. So to make you understand, let me start example about do while loop. So I go to file, new project, and file name do while on. Okay, I choose none. And for this project, I don't check empty project, and I click finish. Okay, start code here. Because this one I did not choose the empty project, so it will add some header file to the project. This not like the same project that I choose empty project. So start include string using namespace d. and in counter equal 1. Okay, do CI default technology media digital and admin and that CI technet electro internet and line. While counter is equal or smaller than 6. System port and count plus. So now let me start run series exam. Okay, we'll print a message. Okay, to make you easy to understand, I add line one more. Now run again. So it will print the message on the statement present for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because counter is equal 1 and this is the expression statement, and counter plus mean counter plus 1, and then counter is smaller than and equal to 6. So for this do while loops, the statement is do already, and then check the check condition is below, so it's a little different from the while loop. The while loop is the checking condition is at the top, but the do while loop checking condition is at the bottom. So in counter equal 1 and then do the statement default technology media and technique electro 90b, then while counter is equal or smaller than 6. So it still do it still print this statement until it's equal 6, because counter is plus, so it starts from 1 and plus 1 until it's equal to 6. That's why you see this result. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And the project I did not add the library or SAP include std-lib. I did not add this library because I did not check empty project when I create the project, so that's why I don't need to include std-lib to support the system port. So that's why I did not use it. Okay, now that finished for do while loop, and let's go to for repetition. So for supplement verb to deal with the noun number repetitions, with noun the number or the limited or the repetition. So to make you understand, let me example you about the code in for loop. Okay, now for the file, new project, name, for, okay, so the first reject. Next, I do not check on empty reject and finish. Okay, now let me start coding. Start include stream space sd in cd ci repeat sample repeating in 3 months. So for C equal 0, C smaller than 10, C plus connect CI C plus 1. Compile CL repeating decrement and for D is equal with 10. D greater than 0. D minus CI D and system cost. Okay, the first is in is C and D, and repeating increment is C is for with for loop. C equal with initial value is 0 and condition is C smaller than 10, and C plus means C plus 1, and CL C plus 1 means C, the value of C at 1, and repeating increment is D equal 10, D the condition is D greater than 0 and D minus. So let me run to see the result. So the repeat increment is start from 1 to 10 because C is start with the 0 value but it's plus with the 1. So that's why it's print from 1 to 10. And about repeating decrement because D start from 10 and D condition is smaller greater than 0 and D minus, so that's why it's decrement from 10 to 1. Can express to receive. Okay, now let's finish for loop. Now I would like to tell you about one more thing in repeatability for nested. For nested means that for beside another for. So concept for nested loop is a loop which contains another repetition. Okay, to make you easy to understand, I would like to show you an example about for nested. Okay, now I go to File menu, New Project, and File name, for nest. Okay, next, and finish. Okay, start right into here. IO stream. std. For in J smaller than 1, J smaller than and equal, and J plus. And then in this for I use one more for, so min for is nested. This is the for nested because it beside for this for. So for in K is equal 1, K smaller than or equal JK plus. Okay. CI. Okay. Multiply with J. And then CI /n and system path. Okay, for in J equal 1, J is smaller than and equal 10 and J plus, and in this for there are one more for. That's why we call for is a nested for in K equal 1. K is smaller than or equal J and K plus, and CR K is multiplied with J. Okay, so the result, we are done the result. Okay, this is the result of for nested because J is start from 1 to 10, that's why 1, 2, 3 to 10, and the k is start from 1, 2, and the k is multiplied with j, and k is minus 1, that's why this is the result of the k multiplied with j, and k is plus 1, so that's why you can see this 6 and this is plus 1 and it multiplies, so the result is 9. Okay, now let's press to exit. Okay, now that's all about this video about repetition with while, do while, and for loop. Okay, so now that's all for video in module 6. Thanks.